There is a lot of damage that modern civilization is causing to nature. A lot of the damage is caused by unsustainable industries. The industrial overuse results from the mass production of consumer goods. Both excessive production and consumption result from the culture of consumerism. There is more. Despite our technological advancements, we often have to spend most of our days working just to fulfill our basic needs, simply because we are dependent on the system. This dependence stems from the addictive convenience of consumption. But what can we do about it? In order to stop consumerism, we have to actively stop participating in it. In order to stop participating in the culture of consumerism, we have to become self-sufficient. In order to become self-sufficient, we need to start forming units of self-sufficiency. Using technology, we can reduce the time and labor intensiveness, as well as the size of a self-sufficient unit. All this makes it easier to form such units and unplug from consumerism. Our mission is to help people reach the goal of unplugging.